This morning, I woke up and I decided I am selling my crypto.com NFTs. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on these when the bull market fully hits and that the price on these isn't going to go up. And by no means am I flooding anybody's bags that holds the crypto.com NFTs. I'm talking about the loaded lions, the land from the crypto.com land mint that they did, or even the excitement surrounding the game in general and some of the materials that go into the crypto.com game. I've got 95 different NFTs or so from crypto.com, and honestly, I think I'm going to sell them all. Maybe I'm going to keep my loaded lion, but I think I might dump every other piece of NFT property or NFT art that I have. And I'm going to tell you guys why in this video. Let's take a piece at CRO Coin, which, by the way, sure, I'm selling these NFTs, but I am very bullish on Cronos and the crypto.com coin. I own a lot of Cronos tokens, and I think that it's going to do very well in this next bull cycle. Let's talk a little bit about where we're at right now, what we need to see happen for CRO Coin before we get to move to the upside. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I got to get into this for you because Bitcoin's doing all right. We're up to $45,000, up 2.75% on the day. If you look at Cronos coin right now, we are seeing it at 8.4 cents. Now, I am telling you guys, I'm looking at selling these NFTs, but I am not looking at selling the Cronos coin itself. One of the reasons that I'm looking at selling these NFTs is because look at how much some altcoins are going up right now. I've been very bullish on stacks. Today, I did a video earlier today talking about how I made $20,000 on ORNG Orange, which is a Web3 wallet for Bitcoin DeFi, one we've been tracking a little bit here on this channel, and Bitcoin-related plays altogether. But there are so many different altcoins, not just BRC20, whether you're looking at Caspa or Thorchain or Cardano, a lot of big movers today, and there's a lot of ways to make money here in crypto. NFTs are certainly one of them. Unfortunately, when it comes to the crypto.com NFTs and the loaded lions and the land, I personally haven't received any gains on those, and so a lot of people might look at this and say, well, are you panic selling it? Well, I'm not panic selling. I've been thinking about this long and hard over a while. And as I've been making a lot of gains, having a lot of success in altcoins, which is one thing that I do love. And I'm very passionate about altcoins. I've never really been that passionate about NFTs. The reason that I bought my crypto.com NFTs in the first place was because of the sense of community. And I love the CRO fam and I love Cronos. And I think the Cronos chain is going to do spectacularly in this next bull cycle. I'm very confident in it for a variety of reasons, from how the CEO is coming out and talking about his products and being very communicative with the community and even accepting DMs. There are a lot of reasons to be bullish on it, but I've decided, I'm selling my NFTs from crypto.com, and I've got a couple other NFTs on MetaMask. I'm probably going to dump those as well because it's just never really been my cup of tea. My heart is telling me to go flip some altcoins and make some big money. And after I make that big money, you know what? Then maybe I'll go buy a couple of those other NFTs. The real theory I have is this, guys. I believe that this is how it's going to play out. Personally, I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but I think Bitcoin's going to pump. Altcoins are going to follow. This is what we see all the time. And then NFTs are probably going to have a pump as well. Is crypto.com NFT going to be successful? Probably. If the Cronos coin is doing well, they're probably going to do well. But the problem is I don't want to sit around here waiting for gains on these NFTs. I was buying NFTs mostly for community, but obviously I want some gains too. I'm not just going to pay for some NFTs just to be a part of a community. I love the crypto.com community and I love the CRO fam, but I just am not getting any financial benefit from these NFTs. I got a huge bag of CRO and I'm bullish on that, but these NFTs, I think that I'm cashing out. Personally, I think I'm done. So if you guys do want to actually offer me anything for my NFTs, feel free to send me an offer. You can find me on crypto.com as Crypto Kip. Actually, you can see there's my profile. I got, it says 88. I think there's like 96 in total, but Crypto Kip, if you want to offer me for some of my land and you guys want to buy some up, I'll probably let it go for under floor, but I'm not gonna accept something that's way too cheap. Okay, so go ahead and send some offers, guys. I'll consider them. I might not sell them overnight here. It could take me a while. It's a lot of work. 95 NFTs, and that's another reason is it's hard to have liquidity. I like having a little more liquidity. So that's something that I'm considering. As for the price of CRO, very bullish on it. Look at Bitcoin having a beautiful day today. And let's just look at the price of CRO. Now, we had a nice move up today. We were getting a good move. We were green on the day, and we flipped down red for some reason. And the story behind that is this, guys. just as we've been predicting on this channel. CRO Coin versus Bitcoin's coming down. The good news is guys, is if we get a higher low out of CRO, we might only have as far as maybe 11% downside more versus Bitcoin for CRO. CRO versus Bitcoin might only come down 11% more. Now, if we have that and use that as a bottom, then that could be absolutely spectacular. Because if we bounce from there, guys, you're talking about very soon after the beginning of what might be a 940%, possibly even an 1100% gain if we come all the way down from the bottom of the CRO. Previous all-time lows versus BTC, we could see gains as much as this high if CRO bounces versus BTC. Now, is that going to happen? Well, guys, if you look at the story of what Crypto.com has been doing, building through this bear market, the way that Crypto.com CEO is handling himself during this bear market, and now the way he's interacting with the community, the marketing partnerships that they have, the licenses this exchange has acquired through the bear market, building and making their products better, trying to attract the next billion users into the space. If you look at the fact that major institutions are now FOMOing into crypto, I do believe that this coin is absolutely going to explode. I'm talking about a $2 to $5 CRO coin. That's something I believe in that could be possible for this next bull cycle, but doesn't necessarily mean that I have to own the NFTs. I love the community. I might keep my loaded lion to keep a part of this NFT community. I do love the loaded lions. There's a soft spot in my heart for them. But as for all these other NFTs, frankly, I've never been a huge fan personally, and I'm just going to come out and say it. I want to just tell you guys exactly where my head's at. I've officially capitulated on my NFTs. I'm not going to panic sell them by any means. I want to get good value for them, but I have been thinking about it quite a bit. Me and my wife, we agree. Let's get into some of these coins. We're making a lot of money on coins. We're not making a lot of money on these NFTs. Something's got to give. I gave in a little bit, guys. So that's where I'm at. I'm telling you guys the truth. Let me know your honest feedback in the comments down below. I want to hear it. I love you, CRO fam. Don't hate me for selling some NFTs, guys. I'm still bullish on them. But I'll tell you, I'm really bullish on CRO. Less so the NFTs. Really bullish on CRO, though, guys. And you know why. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, folks. Peace.